Have you ever truly thought about what makes a woman feel deeply satisfied, not just touched, but emotionally and physically fulfilled? Why do some women enjoy certain types of closeness more than others? In this video, we're going deep into some of the raw truths about female pleasure, emotional intimacy, and what actually makes a man unforgettable in bed. Stay till the end, because I'll also share practical methods to stop finishing too fast, something many men struggle with, but few talk about. And please, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss more real talk like this. Your support means a lot, and a quick like really helps spread the word. Comment a simple one below, so I know you're with me. Now let's get started. Point 1. The secret needs of the female body and mind. Let's not sugarcoat this. Big breasts don't always mean more pleasure. In fact, many women with larger breasts feel discomfort when their partners rush things. Men often get too excited visually and finish faster, leaving her untouched emotionally. This builds frustration and creates a distance silently. Now here's a surprise. A gentle, slow kiss on the stomach or hips can be way more sensual than kissing the neck or ears. Why? Because it shows patience. It shows you're exploring her, not just chasing your own climax. And yes, during periods, many women actually crave more closeness. They feel emotionally open, vulnerable, and if handled with care, it can be one of the most bonding experiences. Point 2. Pleasure starts long before the bed. Most men think it starts in the bedroom. Truth is, it starts before you even touch her. Around 40% of women say they cannot climax unless the vaginal area is stimulated directly. That means skipping foreplay is skipping everything. Even more, about 40% say nipple stimulation should be the first step, not the afterthought. This isn't decoration, it's part of her response system. Hydration matters too. A dehydrated body reacts slower, so if she's drinking water before, she's already preparing herself without even saying it. And if you're into exploring, more anal intercourse with care and communication can help men delay climax. It requires control, breathwork, and patience, which is exactly what women want. Point 3. Sensory play, small changes, big impact. Blindfolds. Yes, the simple piece of cloth can transform the experience. When you take away sight, every touch becomes electric. A whisper becomes a shockwave. That's the power of anticipation. No one is born great in bed. It's learned, practiced, and communicated. You must be open to hearing what she likes and what she doesn't. When a man is in love, it shows. He talks about her, protects her, gets proud. And when a woman feels safe, her voice softens, her body opens, her trust deepens. It's not magic, it's emotional safety. Point 4. Afterglow. What happens when it's done right? Did you know after climax your heartbeat can go up to 180 BPM? That's triple your resting rate. No wonder both partners feel sleepy after. It's the body's way of resetting. And here's a statistic. Only 18% of women can climax without any help, which means over 80% need your active presence, attention, and touch. A lot of men think it's all penetration. No, it's about clitoral stimulation, timing, rhythm, and emotion. 2 fingers, slow motion, listening to her breathing. That's how trust is built. Point 5. Tools that change everything. Clitoral stimulation leads to orgasm in about 80% of women, but only 20% own toys. Most are either shy, uninformed, or waiting for their partner to suggest it. If you're open-minded, bring it into your experience. Use it together, not as a replacement, but as a tool. You'd be amazed how much closer it can make you. Let's talk positions. Missionary isn't boring, it's comforting. Around 80% of women say it makes them feel safe, loved, and focused. It allows eye contact, kissing, emotional exchange. But if you want to extend her orgasm, try standing or spooning positions. They allow deeper angles, slower motion, and body contact. Point 6. Safety and mistakes men make. Never forget, pleasure should never come at the cost of safety. Over 600 cases of strangulation during sex were reported in just one country. That's not edgy, it's dangerous. Consent and communication are everything. Doggy style might feel intense, but for men struggling with early climax, it's risky. Try face-to-face first. Breathe, maintain rhythm. Control is your power. 3 things women say they remember the most. 1. Oral sex with full focus. 2. Clitoral stimulation during penetration. 3. Doggy with emotional trust. But here's the warning: don't overstimulate the clitoris. It needs recovery, just like a muscle. Too much can turn pleasure into pain. Point 7. The mind matters more than the body. The brain receives touch signals at 230 km/h, which means she feels you instantly even before she thinks. Some research suggests women born after May 30th are more open to anal play. And interestingly, many women feel emotional arousal first, physical later, men often the reverse. That's why syncing matters. Want to improve her overall well-being? Have sex once a week, minimum. It increases confidence, reduces stress, and keeps emotional connection alive. Surprise, single women tend to have more sex than single men. Why? They know their needs and they seek connection more openly. Point 8. Real talk. Controlling ejaculation. Now let's talk about something many men avoid: premature ejaculation. It's more common than you think, and the good news, you can fix it. The stop and squeeze method really works when you're about to finish. Stop, squeeze the base. Take deep breaths and restart. It trains your body over time. In the comments, I've dropped a free guidebook with detailed, proven methods. No pills, no gimmicks, just understanding your body. Don't wait. Get the guide. Read it. Practice. Your partner will feel the difference, and so will you. Point 9. Finishing with power and connection. Morning sex. Most men are more aroused right after waking. Testosterone is high. Use that energy, but slowly. Women love to be kissed after sex. It shows it wasn't just about release, it was about connection. Oldest sex toys, over 30,000 years old, found in German caves. Desire is ancient, but mastering it, that's rare. One last thing many women don't like: their head held during oral. It removes their sense of control. Always ask, respect is sexy, legs wrapped around you. That's not just passion, that's emotional depth. She's saying, I want to stay here. Final connection. Women want more than just performance. They want presence. Sensual lingerie? It's not for the man, it's for her confidence. And when a woman feels desired, confident and emotionally safe, her pleasure multiplies. Vibrators, toys, communication, respect. These don't replace you, they enhance you. So what's the one thing from this video that stood out the most to you? Drop it in the comments, let me know. And if you're still here, comment A2, so I know you stayed till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more powerful insights, share it with someone who needs to hear the truth. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your body, your partner, and your connection.